Elon Musk has a rule: every new Tesla product must be revolutionary. And now he's stepping into a whole new industry, one that touches millions of lives every day. The Tesla Smart TV 2025. Imagine a TV so advanced that it could change the way we experience entertainment forever. We're talking 16K Ultra HD resolution, the most lifelike display ever made. AI-driven immersive sound, no need for external speakers, Starlink-powered streaming, watch anywhere in the world, even off-grid, sustainable and energy efficient, the greenest smart TV ever. But what makes it truly groundbreaking? And before we dive in, smash that like button if you love futuristic tech, subscribe to stay ahead of the curve. Let's go. Imagine watching a movie and feeling like you're actually there. That's what Tesla's 16K Ultra HD resolution offers, did you know? 16K means a mind-blowing 15,360 by 8,640 pixels. That's 4 times the clarity of 8K and 16 times that of 4K. What does this mean for you? Hyper-realistic movies. Every detail, every shadow, every color is ultra lifelike. Next-level gaming. Say goodbye to pixelation. Tesla's AI-powered motion smoothing makes fast-paced action buttery smooth. True color rendering. Over 1 billion colors with 99.9% DCI-P3 accuracy for breathtaking realism. Would you upgrade to 16K? Drop a yes in the comments. Tesla isn't just about power, it's about efficiency, and the Tesla Smart TV 2025 is built with ultra-low power micro-LEDs, consuming 40% less energy than OLEDs. What makes it eco-friendly? Tesla Powerwall integration. Optimize power usage directly from the Tesla app, saves you money, uses 1,200 kWh less over 5 years, enough to power a Tesla Model 3 for over 3,600 miles. Eco mode. Auto-adjust brightness to save energy. Would you switch to a TV that saves money and the planet? Let us know. Let's be real, most TVs break too easily. Tesla is changing that with aerospace-grade materials. What makes it durable? Scratch-resistant nanoglass 50% stronger than regular TV screens. Anti-smudge and fingerprint coating always crystal clear. Lightweight yet tough. An 85-inch Tesla TV weighs just 47 pounds. Would you invest in a TV that lasts over 10 years? Comment below. Great visuals demand great sound. But what if your TV was its own home theater? Tesla's AI-driven 360-degree sound system, auto-tune for every scene. AI adjusts bass, treble, and clarity in real time. Built-in subwoofers, deep cinematic bass without extra speakers, noise cancellation, eliminates distractions, so you hear only what matters. Imagine watching an action movie and feeling every explosion. Would you ditch external speakers for this? Drop a comment. Ever been frustrated by buffering? Not anymore. Tesla's Smart TV connects directly to Starlink for seamless 4K streaming anywhere. What does this mean for you? 99.5% uptime even in remote areas. 60 frames per second ultra-smooth playback. No location restrictions. Watch your shows anywhere. Would you buy a TV that streams flawlessly even off-grid? Let us know. Trust Tesla over other smart TV brands for privacy? The Tesla Smart TV 2025 isn't just a TV, it's a revolution. With 16K clarity, AI-driven enhancements, Tesla-grade durability, and Starlink streaming, it might be the biggest disruption in entertainment since the invention of TV. What feature excites you the most? Tell us in the comments. Smash that like button if you'd trade your current TV for a Tesla Smart TV. Subscribe to Core Electrical Engineering Tech for more game-changing tech updates. Tesla just changed the game. Are you ready?